Materials and components that deliver high quality in every water pump. Here you can see an illustration of a water pump and all of its components. All of our heavy-duty water pumps are made from these high-quality materials. Please watch the assembly of one of our heavy-duty water pumps. Every HD water pump housing has precision CNC machine surfaces. This feature ensures there is no leaking and guarantees a perfect fit with mating components. A high-quality oil seal is used on this particular water pump. The oil seal prevents outside materials or debris from entering the water pump. Here, high-quality OEM-specified bearings are being pressed into the water pump housing. Bearings allow for the smooth rotation of the water pump shaft, which turns the impeller and moves coolant throughout the cooling system. Loctite is used throughout the assembly to ensure longevity of the assembly. Here, the bearing retainer is being assembled to the housing. Every water pump uses the OEM-specified bearing type to ensure long bearing and water pump life. The bearing shaft rotates in the center of the bearing case. These shafts are case-hardened and precision CNC machined. These features ensure the pump can handle a high load capacity and can withstand an imbalance or vibration in the cooling system. A high-quality seal is installed on every water pump. The water seal performs a critical function by keeping coolant away from the bearing. Every water pump uses a precision-manufactured metal impeller, either cast iron or stamped steel. A metal impeller is able to withstand high temperatures and chemicals used in the cooling system. Metal impellers are durable and perform very well at high engine RPMs and will not deform, crack, or break under stress. This pump is a gear-driven pump. Each gear is manufactured to precise tolerances to ensure proper pump performance and longevity. Work instructions are located in the assembly cell to ensure consistent assembly. After pump assembly, each pump is measured to ensure proper fit, form, and function. 100% of US Motor Works water pumps are leak tested prior to shipment. This pump is being tested on both the water seal and oil seal sides of the assembly. Before packaging and shipping, there are two final checks. The water pump is checked for impeller clearance by attaching the OEM cover plate and rotating the water pump. Then a gauge is used to verify proper mounting bolt hole location and alignment.